also thank Sheldon for this feature. Thanks, bro. I really appreciate it, and you're doing wonderful for the YouTube community. Keep it up, bro. And we're loving your videos, bro.
Wait, what am I doing again? Sorry, just remind me.
My channel is...
Awe Masekunders, and welcome back, fellow Zam Jammers. It's an exciting time in life right now. If you're in South Africa and a content creator, well, this is going to be really cool news for you. So on the 1st of May, that's this coming weekend, we are starting our first fully fledged South Africa tour as CreateZA. The objectives of this are to train the content creators of South Africa how to make quality production content, and then also how to monetize from their platform using things like SEO, getting opportunities to get consultations with Owami Hlongwane, a very established YouTuber here in South Africa, as well as Dirty Dishes, myself, Caleb Janssens, and Tenny Bear. It's all going down. We've recorded the Academy content. We want to give away 10 free Academy courses to 10 creators from every province in the workshops and meetups that we have going forwards. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be having workshops, meetups, and online events every month. So in the first week of every month, we'll be doing our tour. This coming weekend, we're going to Potch. The following weekend, we'll be doing Pretoria. And then the month after that, we're going to be hitting KZN. And after that, Port Elizabeth, Joburg, and so on until we finish up in Cape Town, September. Now, the workshops will have 3 presenters talking about the Academy and using some of that content to help you. And from there, we'll be doing a little bit of a testing, theoretical and practical, to see who shows aptitude to get this course for free and benefit the most from it. So those are the workshops. There'll also be panelists at the workshops, people who you can ask questions with experience, and that's going to be really cool. We've got sponsors coming together. There should be some giveaways, and it's all really exciting. Then we'll also have meetups in smaller cities where we haven't been yet already, something like photographers meeting up and going on a shoot, or going to a university, doing an activation. We are open to collaborating with communities in the smaller cities of South Africa. So if you have an idea and you want us to work together with you, let us know, and we can make a plan to collaborate. And then lastly, after we've had the big workshop, the following Monday, we'll have an online event, which is meant to parallel the main workshop so that creators who weren't physically able to get to the workshop can still have an opportunity to participate and get the free Academy production courses. So that is just an announcement from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to find out more about this, go check out CreateZA on Instagram. We're posting about the dates and the places, and if you want to RSVP for any of the events already, you can go over to createza.net/events, and you will see Potch RSVPs up, Pretoria RSVPs up, and all of the event RSVPs will go there as they are developed. Also, the website has been launched. There's so much cool stuff on there. Creators, you can go check out their platforms, a bit about them. They've got bios and a picture, and then you can just see some of the other stuff that we as CreateZA community do. So thank you so much for watching this little announcement from me, and I'm really keen to see you at some of these workshops and meetups during the course of this year. Thank you so much. Stay awesome, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.